US dollar looks like it's gonna go down. Let's see.
Euro, US dollar, and USD yen had some nice moves. First hour of the market was open. Tokyo market.
Yeah, I just see it. I missed a lot. Aussie yen did very nice.
Yeah, good moves.
Textbook reversal and then 20 pips up.
What was the other one that set GPI?
All right.
Gold is going back.
Gold is going up?
Going back. It's going down. It hit some resistance. But it's still going up.
US yen to get through this area of resistance.
Oh shit, I just bought the wrong item.
It should move up really good.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm off 20. Or 2%.
I wanted to scale in Aussie yen and I accidentally clicked on the wrong chart in full size. Oh fuck. Okay, the US dollar is going up. It's gonna save my ass.
Nikkei's going up.
Yeah, I hope so. I just smashed 1.5 million into US dollar yen by accident.
US yen. If it breaks this resistance here, it should shoot up pretty good.
Yeah. It double bottomed.
It broke the first layer, it's on the second layer now. So. Oh, the Nick is shooting up good.
Yeah, good. I'm still alive.
There we go. NQ just broke out. UJ should follow. There we go. Come on.
It just saved my ass.
It's working out.
But there will be some resistance in a little bit.
Yeah.
22225. Oh, nice number.
Shooting out. Ooh.
Oh, that looks nice. Well, the price is not moving.
Haha. Don't go.
Oh, the Nikkei is weakening up. Holy shit, I'm up 1.5%. My accident buy. Yeah, the dollar is gonna be at some resistance in a moment too.
Yeah.
I see yen already pitching around.
Yeah. Gold should pull back like 100 points.
Ah, I'm on the hourly chart in gold, that's why I don't see that. I was just thinking, what is he talking about? It doesn't move at all. I just noticed that I'm on the hour chart.
Oh.
Hi Captain, you back?
Morning, yeah, I'm being extra stupid today.
Without you, I have no energies. Now you back. That's good. So seem like US dollar yen.
Yeah. It's,
we have the trigger right now. I just have trigger on forward time frame. I'm long it.
Yeah, the VWAP looks very
Stupid
good.
again.
But I'm in super heavy, so I'm thinking of getting out a bit.
But yeah, I know. I hold it, and it can come back to my entry no matter what.
But the US dollar will be at some resistance in a moment. About 6 cents or so. I'm gonna scale out.
No, I'm talking about US dollar yen.
Yeah.
yeah.
I accidentally bought.
It's pulling back a bit, so you can enter if you want. It's gonna pull back to resistance, and then you can enter it. You can go long.
Yeah, but at this time the dollar may be pulling back as well.
And I did long US dollar Swiss franc as well.
Okay. I bought it when it's like S3, resistance 3. Now it's resistance 2.
Oh, this is actually right now. Are we over already? I had a wrong trend line. Don't do that shit if you're sleeping. Let's find a target. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah.
Oh yeah, dollar yen is the target already met, I guess. No, not yet. But the dollar is likely to pull back, yeah. Yeah, whatever. The dollar is like an easy pullback now. Just exit.
What do you mean pull back? You mean it go down or go up?
Go down, but it looks like it's gonna go over. I just went in way too heavy. I actually wanted to scale in on Aussie yen and I clicked the buy button on US dollar yen. And on the quick trader I had already full size set. Probably from my hedge yesterday.
But you're lucky though.
Yeah, that was just luck. Blind luck.
It rewards you. You come back late, so it rewards you.
Yeah, usually I'm doing very bad shit then if I'm late. Okay, ASEAN looks good.
Oh, look at this stuff go. There, we broke resistance on US yen. All right.
We did? I just exit.
By...
I don't know.
I have a horizontal line. You've got an angle line. And the Nikkei just broke out of its resistance.
I can't see your stream on Periscope. You know that something doesn't work.
Doesn't work?
Yeah, I can't do that.
Ah, okay.
Can you stream on YouTube or?
I stream primarily on YouTube, yeah, but I stream on Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, Facebook, and Twitter too. Periscope, yeah.
How do you get the live?
It's not on YouTube right now, right?
Yes, yes. YouTube is primary, but nobody is watching. Yeah, this is strange.
How do you get to it? Because I have it on Twitch, but I don't have it on YouTube.
Yeah, nobody is watching on YouTube, but it shows live stream health is fine. What the fuck?
YouTube will always work.
There we go. That's working.
Yeah, now I have one on Twitch and one on YouTube. Yay!
Twitch. All right. Give us another push up here.
Ah, the numbers are wrong.
Come on. One more push.
On Periscope, I cannot see how many people are watching. Don't forget to click like. Okay, Mixer is just a waste of time. 21 total views and 300 streams. Does anybody know that?
I'm back.
Mixer.com was previously Beam. It's like a Twitch competition. Competitor, what I'm talking today.
Oh man. Come on. One more breakout.
It looks like the dollar is going through it.
Meaning go up or go down?
Go up, go up.
Thank you.
I should not have exit USD, but this was way too heavy. I'm gonna take it again.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just pressed the button and it sacked down.
There's a line of resistance. It didn't go below the 21.
Breakout NQ again. Come on, US yen.
Doji, you sorted it, right?
I'm long on NQ, long on UJ.
Yeah,
Long.
Long US dollar yen, long Aussie yen. But not for long, the Nikkei has some resistance. A little bit up.
Yeah, right.
And gold is going up, that's very, very strange.
All mine are protected. Trailing stops. NQ. Here we go. Now it's going to go up. Close to 2 out of my 3 positions, and it's going to take off some more. It's all right.
Stay with me.
The dollar. Why is it going down? The Nikkei is still going up. It's the dollar. Dollar having a bit of trouble.
Yeah, we got a little bit more resistance here on the Nick.
Yeah, maybe it's not holding. Volume is dying a little bit and gold is going up as well.
QE's about ready to break out again.
Yeah, this is the dollar index. There's some minor micro resistance where it's hanging. But ASEAN is going down too. But the Nikkei don't move.
Nikkei stayed where it is. I'm on. That's weird. Yeah, let's shrink this up to 0.07. Give it all back. And Q.
Order filled.
Let's buy some more.
Order filled.
The guy's moving upwards, but is fighting a little bit. But there is nothing to fight for.
And it's looking good. NQ just broke out again.
Yeah, it's moving, but the yen pairs don't. Very strange.
Building up orders.
Oh, pound yen is moving, but the rest
Shoot
is...
it out of that level.
Oh, what's going on?
New Zealand dollars, yens is a better pair to trade.
Yeah, as for freaking usual, I'm trading the wrong shit.
Oh,
What?
NQ just took off.
Yeah, the Nikkei also went up, and now the Nikkei is at the resistance.
Wait, if the nickel goes up, does USD go up?
Nice.
The Nikkei is at the resistance now.
I can't trade anymore. Shit, I have no more room to trade. Shit.
What do you mean, no more room? Financially or in space?
I mean, I have the maximum leverage for the day, so I can't do anything. Just let it run. I would take profit and fuel in again. Shit.
Ah, I know that problem. That sucks. The Nikkei is at resistance now, so.
Yeah, look at Kiwi yen. Shit. Oh.
And the dollar is back to the reverb. This looks very bad for dollar yen.
I'm flat on NQ. It was a good run. Dollar yen hasn't taken off yet, like I thought it would. I mean, we've had a good move up. I thought it was going to go higher. Give it a few more minutes here.
And the Nikkei gonna pull back now. That's for sure. Oh, the dollar looks bad. It's jumped a little bit up from the reverb. Not very much. I think I'm gonna extra US dollar yen and break even. Maybe the Nikkei is kind enough to push it up a little bit. This is just a minor resistance right now. The real one is about 4 points higher on the Nikkei.
Some good trades tonight.
Maybe I should just skip it. My ASEAN target is 80 and 9.2 or something like that. It's not so far. I'm gonna exit US dollar yen now. Give me a tick chart. Yeah, that looks bad. You guys still fighting?
Yeah, NQ just broke out again. The Nick's still going up.
Just the dollar is weak. So US dollar yen wasn't a good idea. I'm offline or what? Nothing is moving anymore. There we go.
Doji candle on the GPY.
Yeah, the yen is for sure the driving force now, today. I mean, right now. Maybe I stay in the US yen.
It's going to give us another big push. Hopefully.
Oh, maybe not. The guy's weakening too. Yeah, fuck it, I'm out.
Order filled.
We got out.
Yeah. Too heavy, too late entry. If it pulls back, it's gonna be too expensive. If I would have entered properly, then I would not bet out, but I'm too close.
Yeah. Isabel. Just sneaking. Yeah, but I can mute it.
I'm sure we are gonna have a week of very weak yens. I mean, almost long for all the pairs again yens for this week.
The yen is pulling back.
Exiting ASEAN was maybe a mistake, but the Nikkei is still going down.
Anyway, this way, this move up cannot be the only one. So we will have a chance to long again.
GPU always gotta break out.
Oh, this is going so nicely back up. Maybe I buy it again.
Yeah.
Now it's a late entry again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Life is short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, the Nikkei. Just in one tick, like 10 points. But now we are the resistance for real.
Nick is still hanging up there, isn't it? Are you flat now, Swing?
No, just 4 more entered by.
Nope. Couldn't hear. Must have the speakers turned up. AUJ, get up there.
So sure, this is gonna work out. The dollar looks very bad. This is one of the situations where I really would like to have my trendline bot. It doesn't work with IC markets yet.
Yeah, it'd be a cool tool to use.
I can add it to the chart, but I cannot start it. Have to wait until they rolled out the update for CTrader. Using some new libraries that require CTrader 3.01. IC markets still have 3.3.
Acto.
Every time now. Dopey.
Yeah.
What's up?
Pick up the phone. Right, what's happening? Bring me up to speed.
Having some good trades. It's a pretty good night. We're just waiting for UJ and AJ, I think, to take off.
Excellent.
But the Nick is at some resistance a little bit, so keeping an eye on that. It's at 240 now. It just went up again, though, so that should give us another push up.
I'm pretty much waiting for the same thing, the dollar to relent. And then looking at the pound yen, wondering if that's going to keep going up, even though it looks like a sharp turnaround is imminent. How does the dollar affect the pound yen?
If the dollar goes up, the pound yen is gonna weaken. But as of now, the dollar is more in control. Sorry, the yen. The Nikkei is more in control.
So the dollar goes up, it weakens the pound yen, and then all eyes on the yen to see if that's going to shift its direction.
Yes, but right now, if the Nikkei moves, the currencies move. So the dollar has little force. It's on a resistance right now, and this seems to hold. It kind of worries me a little bit. Yeah, just posted in the trading room. There's some really tiny resistance, but it seems to hold.
Got it. Okay.
That's why US dollar yen don't move. But this is good for your pound yen trade if you buy it. Because if the Nikkei goes up, this is gonna move a lot faster. Same Aussie yen. But the Nikkei is also on some sort of resistance right now, so this can go the wrong way rather quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna exit again.
Order filled.
Have to go to 1 minute for the screenshot. ASEAN is probably going higher. My original target on ASEAN was 80. 89.23. It was nice trading, however. I really want to buy AUDUSD.
What is it that shouts buy at you?
The resistance on the Nikkei doesn't. I don't like the resistance on the Nikkei. Dollar is still fighting. Looks like it's one to go up.
Yeah, if that breaks, it could be.
That's gonna be huge if that breaks.
Yeah.
Pound yen is still going up. As for freaking usual, I'm trading the wrong shit. Ah well, 1 hour into trading, up 1.2%, so whatever.
Can't pocket that.
I think I'm gonna buy AUDUSD again.
Yeah, it looks like it's...
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So sure that's gonna break out.
Yep.
Ah, I see. I'm gonna go to my target.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Just remove the take profits.
There we go. A little bit of movement there.
I'm just removing the take profits. But the Nikkei is still below the resistance line.
Yeah, I see that.
Ah, never mind. Fire in the hole. Ah, sorry. That was short fun.
Oh, Nick just broke out again.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, here's the trend line, so What do we do? What do we do?
US yen is going up.
I'm supposed to take profit here,
Then take it, Bubba.
but I'm greedy.
Wait.
Order filled.
I got a greedy pig sound for you.
Alright, that was a nice trade. It just re-entered and...
You'll be glad you took it if it turns there. Yeah, that was a really nice trade. Good
Yeah,
work.
but if it doesn't, I'm gonna be angry.
You're still in the other one though, right? So
Yeah, US yen, but I have no target there. I mean, I have a target like 1 pip up, 2 pips up. But if the US dollar breaks, this is gonna go fast. So I'm not really... I'm not very heavy, so if it pulls back, it's fine with me. Yeah, what did I say? It's gonna break. But there's the pivot also, so it was a wise exit. Gonna exit Aussie yen too. US yen.
yeah, man, money in the bank.
The dollar is having serious trouble. It's just the Nikkei is moving it up now. I'm just gonna trail it.
Yeah, it's awesome trades, man. The Nick, man. Jeez. Awesome.
If the dollar pops now, my trading stop will catch it. But I know my luck is gonna go down first. Stop me out and then go to the moon. Like go to 200 in one candle.
Yeah, it's getting close to the end of the hour though, Fish. This thing could just go straight up and then turn around at the new hour. That'd be nice.
Refill my coffee and get stopped out in the meanwhile.
Looking pretty. Yep. 13. Go, keep going.
Would that be your dollar yen trade by any chance?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I'm still in the trade.
Yeah. Moving up.
Zero volume. I like that.
Last 14 minutes. Maybe we'll get a nice, huge momentum bar up. And then exit that sucker. Yo, get up there.
Damn, why I didn't take it full size. I'll be at the resistance now. It's gonna pull back now. But the Nikkei is moving like there's no tomorrow. I'm gonna remove the take profit.
Got mine trailing. Trailing by 6 pips. Go. Come on, one more breakout.
Next stop should be 22303.
Man, it's still going up. It's
But
just crazy.
this is not gonna go in a straight line. Well, never say never.
Yeah. I like when it gets near the end of the hour because if it's going to happen, it's usually when it does happen.
Yeah, that's why. Never say never. But I'm gonna exit.
Order filled.
Made it right to my trend line. Mission accomplished. Don't be greedy. I should just have done it with full size. But this was 50-50. The VWAP is almost not existing.
Come on, give us another push. It's still going up. Come on, Nick.
Something's working here. Off.
Market's acting up, but everything is going as expected. Holy shit, pound yen. Octo, you ordered a boat already?
Oh, I wish I traded your size. But yeah, I've got three positions on that at the moment.
This is not gonna stop. Okay, the Nikkei is on the next resistance in a moment, and I just see on the 30-minute there is something to be worried about. Yeah, right now, actually.
UJ just broke out again. There it goes. There it goes. 13.
Oh, fuck.
Where I was going to get out at 13, but I'm going to wait a minute. I'm gonna
Seriously? Yeah, but my trade went as expected, so...
I'm going to close half of mine here at the 113 here. Back up there.
Discord is terribly slow. Something with Google Drive.
Oh, market.
The trend line is not so clear. I just made it quickly to show it.
Thank you.
I have another one on my chart from here. Oh, there is a trend line from yesterday. It's up around 141372.
Alright, no,
I just see it on my external chart. I think I made this line 2 days ago or something like that. Yeah, it's from 2 days ago.
Alright. I am flat. That's a good night. That was. Good job, Swing. Get some good trades there.
Yeah, the US dollar yen exit was nice, but the Aussie yen was disappointing. But I had no target there anyway, so whatever. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, target's met. What else do we want more? My new chart layout is very confusing. The Nikkei just kept up.
It's not giving up. It's not giving up. This is going to be an up night.
Yeah, it's gonna fill that gap. That was not a technical gap, that was too fast.
UJ going again. Oh, the Dow. Wow, that was nice.
Yeah, it's gonna pull back. It's gonna fill the gap. That was not fast enough for a technical gap. Holy shit, that's 60 pips on pound yen.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yeah, that's happened if you get up late. Yeah, as you saw already on the live stream, I'm changed my chart layout, and now these trades look so tiny to me.
Yeah, that's the. You get used to looking at your chart one way.
Like the US dollar yen just now, I exit and I just saw the flag. It shows 6.4 pips, and then I was like, what the fuck, this is really far. I mean, for me this is far, but it looks like it's gone nowhere on my new layout. Wait, I make you an example.
There he is. XO, when you gonna start rolling with me, man? I'm trying to get you paper.
Hello. What's up?
See the difference? This is really massive.
Omega.
What's up, man?
You talk to me. What's up?
What do you mean, what's up? I don't know what to tell you.
Gonna make some money here. That's what's up.
Yeah.
That's the, well, I already said that. I said that earlier, man. It's time to secure the bag. I gotta get that cake.
Oh.
We all gotta get that cake. Otherwise, we're wasting time.
Yeah, especially as a day trader.
I better listen to you more, right?
You don't have to listen to me, but don't go against me.
Just punch it. Yeah, what are you doing, Omega?
Well, earlier I got a nice short on euro, dollar. I'm long on EuroCAD now and pound and dollar.
EuroCAD at this time.
Yeah, I know. That's more of a New York deal, but we have pretty much the euro across the board was strengthening. So it's more of a euro trade than a CAD trade.
What else should I do?
Buying, I hope.
Absolutely.
It looks pretty good, to be honest.
Well,
Super.
you know what? Yeah, there's some pairs that should be turning this week. Right now, what's really scary is the pound yen.
The spread is not bad either.
Friggin'. Yeah, not bad at all. That's coming off of monthly S3 too. The only thing that's worrisome about that, but not super worrisome, is the fact that it hasn't touched a it's kind of halfway, close enough is good enough, but it didn't really tap weekly support level. A big deal.
But it's got very hard,
Yeah, obvious.
very hard rejected on R2.
Yes.
It's a bit worrisome. I mean, I see it on a 3-minute chart now, but this is pretty much like hell no. This is just a very nice wick on a hourly chart, I guess.
What is that you just posted? Is that pound yen?
No, that's US yen. It's just to show the difference between my new chart layout and the old one. Like
Okay.
I make a 6-pip trade, and my old layout looks like traveling to the moon, and on my new layout it isn't there.
Oh, okay. Wait, one of them is dollar yen.
Well, they're both the same. They're both US yen.
Oh. Okay.
It's just a difference between my old chart layout and my new chart layout.
Hey, did you? Oh man, I got to get you linked up with the newest Kenny Glick, man. So funny. It's like a 30-minute thing he did, but he's talking about VWAP. He's talking about the whole market, and he's funny and concise at the same time. So it's a great vid, man. Let me get it for you.
Yeah, Kenny is the best.
Yeah, every once in a while, man, he goes completely psychotic, but that, you know, and if people think he's a crackpot, but he really does know what he's talking about.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Are you still holding dollar yen swing face?
No, I'm out.
It's still room to go.
Yeah, but the US dollar looks bad, to be honest. And the Nikkei is on some resistance now. Pound yen is getting slow. Oh, Octo pound yen made the trend line.
Yeah, I'm not letting go of it yet.
Hey, I'm just gonna post it in the main room. Is that okay, Swingfish?
Yeah, sure. Again?
Are you trying to cool us down off or what, man?
What else I can do, you know? I'm just a machine. Follow my system and just do that shit.
That's you know what? That's really it, man. I was telling Doji and the other guys earlier, man. It's just, you know what? That's basically what I am, is like a cyborg, man. I just do usually one thing, and after looking over my trades from the last couple of weeks, I just decided, you know what, man? No more variations on the thing, man. I'm just going back to, you know, what pays me, man. So no more aggressive entries or anything, man. I'll just, you know, take what the market gives me.
Sure.
Yeah, but the aggressive entries I have to slow down. Well, I'm back on the hedging account now, so.
Well, that's what hurt. That's what hurt me last week was all the aggressive entries, and you know, we're towards the end, and they, you know, I take them, and then boom, they'd immediately friggin' just sink me, man, immediately. Doji here, or do you already go to sleep? It's midnight over there in Michigan.
I'm still here.
Did you see Kenny does hide his company advertising for a while already?
Oh, well, you know what? Man, as far as that goes, he gets into it a little bit at the very, very end, but basically he's been letting everybody in the room for free, and then he...
Yeah, he does that since years already. He keeps saying, he always keeps saying, like, he does that at least 2 years, telling people, next week I'm gonna charge you $5,000.
Yeah.
Next week.
I don't know. I think he always has a few students, man, that probably like do the mentoring thing, bro. But you know, I don't even think he really needs the money, dude. I don't know what his deal is. One day, Will, it was pretty funny, man. He was selling like a whole bunch of stuff out of his house, man. Like, oh God, what was he selling, man? The video was crazy, man. Was it like sneakers? He had some like Air Jordans, all kinds of crazy stuff he was selling, man. I was like, man, this dude is cracking up. I think he's bipolar or something like that.
Not so sure about him, about how he's on the money side. But I like what he is doing, and that's what matters actually.
The VWAP, man, that's his thing, man. Has been for a while, man.
Yeah, more than 10 years at least. Actually, there was they made a TV report about him on local TV.
That was a long time ago, before he was doing VWAP, but he was working as a prop trader.
Yeah, but he did the same thing. He just didn't do it based on the VWAP, but he did the same thing. And there is some. I need to find it and show you guys. This is really cool because the girl who interviewed him, he said like, yeah, I'm gonna hold it like for 2 minutes, and then she looks like he just discovered fire or something like that. There was no idea that you can actually do that. You buy a stock and you sell it back in like 2 minutes later. Like they're all looking like, what the fuck is he talking about? I think it's on his old channel. You know his old channel?
Oh gosh, one of them is
1063.
One of them is Crawl. Oh yeah, what was it? The what? You just said it?
1062 or 63?
Yeah, Thanos.
No.
I can't freaking remember, man. It's funny though, I posted one, I think, that was from Thanos just like a week ago, didn't I?
Oh yeah, right, you did. He made one funny video about holding on to losers. He just said, you call me, I'm gonna come to your house and I'm gonna press the button for you.
The first video I ever saw of him was him ranting after he had the most horrible session, and he was talking about one loser after the next, one after the next. You want to make money? Just do the opposite of whatever I do. Oh, it was crazy. That was the first time I was like, who is this dude? How to get started trading naked.
Damn, I'm trading naked right now.
It's definitely comfortable.
Oh, did you see Free the Bull? That's also very nice. He walked on some demonstrants, and then he say some demonstrant holding a sign like the Jews have all the money, and then he asked him, "Well, I'm a Jew, but I'm broke." You're discriminating me. I cannot find it. He has so many videos.
Yeah, he's got a ton of videos.
He was teaming up with T3. Oh, that's 7 years old.
Yeah, man, Euro is strengthening across the board. That's entry. I just got a signal for long on Euro Yen. Boom! Shakalaka, get some of that. So let me give you guys a just a real quick peek with the. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there we go.
Did you know that Nasdaq actually sued him?
Get out of town. What for?
Because he branded his first brand name before.
Oh, Suck My Nasdaq.
Suck My Nasdaq. Yeah, they sued him.
It took me a second. I was like, why would they sue him? Oh yeah, Suck My Nasdaq.
That's why he's still doing it sometimes, just to piss them off.
Did you find the Thanos channel? What was it?
Yeah, I found it, but I searched Thanos 43. It's 43, not 63.
All right, fellas, have a good night. I'm calling it a night.
Yeah, you too.
See you, Doji.
Okay, Doji. Take care, man.
Good luck.
The dollar is about to take off.
The dollar? Not the US dollar.
Yeah, the US dollar. No, I'm just hoping. Well, I'm flat anyway, so whatever.
Oh shoot, Doji posted that is a wrinkle chart. Okay. All right.
I found it. But it's not original.
He has one where he does a parody of Glenn Ross, where he tells the dude, put that coffee down. Coffee's for traders.
Oh yeah. Coffee is for traders only. Always be trading.
And no, he says something always VWAP. VWAP or something like that. That's the one I was trying to find the other day and I couldn't find.
Look in Hodl My B I posted. But this is not the original, but it's not cut out or something. He just added his trademark. This is from 1999.
Wow. Hey, Swingfish, I left you a message, private message, man.
Oh, yeah, okay. "48 hours. This is like, oh my god. I'm feeling so old now by watching this. Anything that can go wrong goes wrong.
Oh, there it is. You put it in here. Okay, I didn't know where it is. I was like, where the hell you put it? Yeah, I've seen this several times. Damn it, he looks so young here too. Look how old those computers are.
How often does that happen? It happens a lot.
Yeah.
The interviewer has no clue what's going on there. Yeah, that's what he says about day trading, and he's still saying that. And I say the same. I don't care what the stock is doing tomorrow or in 5 minutes. If I'm out, I'm out. That's it.
That's it. Yep.
People always keep telling me why you didn't hold, because I didn't know. And if you trade with a large size, you can just not afford a pullback. So just take the money and move on.
Well, you know what? Sometimes it just depends on how much you can. Like, if you get a super pop, then you're cool because you can move your stop and just like let it run. But that doesn't happen all the time.
Yeah, but if it doesn't happen, the range is your target, and that's what you do.
That's it. Then take the money and run.
Yeah, exactly. And everybody else trading the breakout, but I take profit when they trade the breakout. I try to, okay, let's just close half of it or whatever, but then I see it going up another 100 pips or so, and I make whatever, 0.5%. I say, why should I sit there all day waiting for this to happen? It's just...
Well, it just depends, man. I mean, you can, like me, sometimes if I've already banked some money and I'm looking at a trade and I go, okay, it looks like it has room to run, then once it moves, I just start moving my stop up, even if I move it up to break even or just above break even, and give yourself a shot to make some oversized profits.
Yeah, but if you trade inside the range, you're break even.
Oh no,
you cannot do that.
No, inside the range or when you see the market's consolidated, don't need. Yeah, I mean, the market will offer you something, take it until you can see. You know, there's so many false breaks, and sometimes it's not like people go, "Oh, you're a breakout trader," and it's like, no, I'm really not a breakout trader. I'm trading the cyclical reverse. You know what I mean? The trend reversal. There's a difference between that and trading a breakout.
Yeah, breakout trading makes no sense whatsoever. I mean, seriously.
Agreed. Because you know what? How many breakouts are? What somebody told me one time.
Let's put it that way. If I have some fundamental,
what's the percentage?
If I have a fundamental reason and I'm trading on a very large time frame, sure, I will trade the breakout as a confirmation trade. But I will enter a large-scale trade on a breakout. That's for sure. But
right.
But this is a different game what we're playing here.
Yeah, and it's a different market than it was too, even 3 years ago.
Yeah, that's right. Just give me a second. I'm going back in a second.
No worries.
Alright, back.
Hello.
Yo.
So, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Let me take a look and see what we got on the docket.
Should figure out where the dollar is gonna go. Probably gonna go down. The VWAP is going up on the most of the US pairs, US Swiss, US Sing. What else? Gold is going up.
Yeah. We got some cyclical rotations, man. Looking at cyclical rotation, pound dollar, euro dollar.
I'm gonna short some US Sing.
Euro CAD. That's about it.
12 pips to the support on US dollar Sing.
On US dollar Sing? Oh, Singapore?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna have to start pulling that one up. I don't really take a look at that one very often. Does it move pretty well this session?
No, it didn't move at all. It just dropped in the opening and that's it.
Okay.
But it's because of the US dollar. It's just mimicking the US dollar moves.
XO, what you got, man? You've been quiet. XO.
Aussie USD has 30 pips to go up. But these are all US dollar based trades. I'll buy it anyway.
Order filled.
Bingo. What was that?
Order filled.
Bought Aussie USD.
Okay.
And I'm gonna double the risk and selling US dollar Sing dollar.
Order filled.
That thing came all the way from Aussie dollar came all the way from this monthly S2 and weekly S1 consolidation. So
Order
it's from
filled.
right around 72.42. So it's already advanced about 110 pips. You do have a couple of nice ATR targets above it though. One of them is 73.73. The main one, primary, is 73. What is that? Man, I need my glasses. 83.
836, yeah. That's my target.
That's amazing, man. How does that happen? We trade completely different. And I called it target, and you're like, yeah, that's it. Good stuff.
73.845 is my alert, and then see what's gonna happen. Oh, that's too high, wait. 73.818. And then we see what's gonna happen.
Yeah, 73.8. That's a perfect from where your entry is. That'd be a nice little move.
Did you see that crazy move I posted? NZD USD. That was in the morning.
I didn't. I don't think. I was probably sleeping. Was that a what? New Zealand dollar, euro dollar long?
Yeah. You can see I posted in the chat.
Oh, okay.
Just making a lower high. I'm already in a position on the wait, it's a high or low? But yeah, I'm in the green right now.
Sweet. Sweet.
I think in terms of a monthly perspective, the USD has risen 3% against New Zealand, and I think on a daily basis it's 1% or 0.18%. I'm not 100% sure, and then 90% of investors are going long on the NZD USD inverse head and shoulders. I think on the next pullback, we probably still end.
There's a little head and shoulders there, isn't it?
Oh, there's a pivot point about 8 pips below the target on Aussie USD.
Pivot. Weekly pivot, you mean?
No, daily, R2.
Oh, okay. I don't look at daily pivots. That's why. I just look at weekly and monthly.
Yeah, well, I'm a scalper, so these points have some meaning. I mean, I don't trade based on them. It's just good to know where they are.
Yeah, it's just like I was telling somebody earlier. They're just those are markers on the map.
Yeah, right. It's just good at the point of interest. Yeah, like on a map. Yeah, I'm gonna use a smaller target.
Sometimes I'm just too lazy to go on my computer and start.
US dollar thing is maybe also a problem because it bounced 1, 2, 3 times off the pivot. Why is the pivot red anyway? Oh, this is S2. Never mind.
I'd lose my mind if I put daily pivots on with a weekly and a monthly too.
Yeah, that's what I keep saying. It's too much information.
Yeah, I just want the bigger points as far as like, you know, potential resistance or, you know, some spots where we can get confluence.
I think the best way to analyze is to look at the weekly and then the daily and the 4-hour and the other short-term time frames.
Well, as they say, brother, whatever floats your boat.
Because the bigger the time frame, the bigger the move. So if you want to make a lot of money, you gotta make sure that you're following the right move.
Oh yeah, right. There's no point watching something that won't happen in the next 3 days.
One of my main problems with higher time frames is it's just like it's like an aircraft carrier, man. By the time you see the turn, it's too late.
I would say on the higher time frames, when it's like a support and resistance, I never go like in the middle of it. Like let's say price hits support, it touches resistance like 2 or 3 times. If it's in between, I would only day trade in between if it's in between the support and resistance. But if it's like at the bottom or at the top, I'll just buy or sell.
Order filled.
So wait a minute, let me, I'm just trying to see if I got you right here. So let's just say you're looking at like the daily. So you see the daily 3 3 touches. Are you saying that you're gonna sell after that?
That's if I see some sort of like price rejection in that level and it just bounces off. That's on the long term. If I see like prices in consolidation and I see it touches the level and then it just, as soon as it touches that level, it just has some sort of rejection and pulls back, and it does the same thing consistently. If I see it do that, then I'm just gonna basically predict that once it hits resistance, it's gonna bounce off, so I'm gonna sell. Or if it touches support, then I'm gonna once it touches support, I'm gonna sell, and when it hits resistance, I'm gonna.
All right, let's go, dollar.
Oh, let's go.
VWAP is going up, price is going down. That's gonna be interesting. In a minute or two.
I'm still waiting for a pop on the pound dollar. So we're in the same thing. I'm just buying the pound and you're buying the Aussie.
Yeah, same. Buying pound maybe makes more sense because of the UK session starting. You know,
and Prince is buying New Zealand, I guess. New Zealand dollar.
I just hate the pound dollar. Oh, the price action looks nice actually on 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's been, you know what, you should have seen the move. You were sleeping, man. Right after New York, I was long in the euro dollar and I was fluctuating right about 14, 15, 20 pips up. And then all of a sudden it just shot up 30, 40 pips in seconds. I mean, I was like, okay, there's my take. I'm out. I'd actually closed half of it, and when they got that pop, it was just ridiculous. It was like a stop loss, or just all the buys finally triggered at one time, and then after that it died.
Yeah, but it kept going up, but took forever.
Yeah, nice and slow. Now it's grinding back up again.
Yeah, I thought
XO
this is rejection, but it doesn't look like it. It looks very, very much like a rejection, but it doesn't look like it now.
Well, yeah. What are you? You're talking 3 minutes, right?
No, I'm still on 15, but it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It spiked up and then it went right back down, and now it's back up on the way back up.
Yeah.
So on a larger time frame, this is a clear rejection. So US dollar Sing is at the pivot. Time to add some meat.
Add some. Yeah, man. Put something on it. As I always tell people, here, let me show you this.
That could be a bad idea, but
I'm gonna put it in hold my beer room, okay?
So now I'm doubled my risk because I'm trading against the dollar twice. And I'm scaled in on the pivot. Very stupid.
My evil raccoon.
You have a raccoon?
Why everybody hates raccoons anyway?
I think that I love raccoon. Well, I don't love them because they're not around here, but basically they rip and tear crap up.
Yeah, but it's not their fault. Just don't put the crap there.
No, this dude, check this out, man. This guy, these raccoons got on his roof, and they tore a hole in the roof, right in the ridge, dropped down in there, had babies, man. And you should have seen it. Look like there were gremlins up there, man. It was, they messed his roof up so bad.
I have the same problem with rats here. But they're not rats, they're field mouse. They're very, very big mice.
Them is rats.
Yeah, same as rats, basically. Well, about a year ago I had a very large snake under my house, so the rat problem was solved by itself, by nature.
Well, I'm here in New Mexico, man, and I actually live at the bottom of the Sandia Mountains, man. So like at nighttime, like right now, I never take the trash out, man, because bears and mountain lions every once in a while come down, man, and you don't want to go over to the trash, man, and get friggin' mauled by a friggin' mountain lion.
Okay. Different problems, different country, different problems.
Yeah, we have rattlesnakes here and scorpions.
No scorpions here, but snakes, a lot of snakes. Like
I had
a 4 meter long python under my house.
Oh man, yeah, freak out.
And then he killed one of my cats, and then the security guy came to try to catch it, and the snake came out. This really huge animal, I mean really huge, and he just said, "Oh, never mind, just leave it there." And I looked at him, and he just said,
"Hell no!
Be grateful it's there, because if there's a python, there are no cobras." Okay.
Okay. All right, leave him alone.
Just leave it there.
Friggin' cobras! Oh my god, bro! I could not live where you're at. Here we go, man.
About 10 kilometers more south, there are a lot of cobras. By the way, I live near the next to the new airport, and it's just like 15 years development going on before 90% rice fields here. So the animals are
wow.
still here.
You got
so
snakes then.
Yeah.
You got snakes then.
And this field mice, they're very, they're eating up everything.
Where did they say there's some island, man, where you can live and there's no poisonous insects? I gotta find that, man. I think that's where I want to move. No poisonous insects, no poisonous snakes.
Yeah, but this have some downsides. If there isn't nature, it doesn't take care of itself.
I'm sure there's some curses.
So is that moving or what? What's with the dollar? Can somebody wake up Trump? It's going the wrong way. And the VWAP is dangerously flat.
Okay, I guess they're saying it's New Zealand. New Zealand has no snakes, no poisonous spiders, but they have earthquakes.
Yeah, but not too bad. Nobody in New Zealand is scared of earthquakes.
I guess not. They have some lizards, but I ain't scared of lizards.
Yeah, we have them here too. My cats love them. It's like all you can eat. Because they're everywhere. I mean the small ones.
Costa Rica's beautiful, but they got way too many poisonous things over there.
Spiders are basically all poisonous here, but they are not dangerous to humans.
Well, we got black widows here and brown recluses. Tarantulas, but those are further down south and they're not dangerous. I mean, they'll bite the shit out of you, but they're not poisonous.
Yeah, same here. Everybody fears these animals, even the locals, but I just did like a 5-minute research and found out that there is nothing dangerous. I don't know, people are strange here. Looks like the dollar gonna change his mind.
Yeah.
I don't like that at all.
I'm just gonna be patient.
I'm not.
I am. This got room to go up. It hasn't even gone up. Let's see, 1, 2.
Look what the dollar is doing on the tick chart.
Look, this pair has got to give me minimum. Listen to me, got to. 47. Okay, so that's minimum 20 pips from where it's at right now. So
that doesn't look good. I scaled in too heavy.
Let them sell into the buy zone. Excellent.
If I exit now, I will still on the 2% mark.
Let me look at your. Yeah, I know why. There's a reason why I'm not in that, and that's because it's on the other side. It just hasn't signaled yet. But that's a huge. That pair looks. I don't know. And you know what? Here we go again. Remember, I told you I'm not doing any more aggressive entries. The aggressive entry for your pair that you're in right now would have been 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, AUDUSD I bought
70.
perfectly, but the Sing dollar, that was aggressive. Yeah.
72.90.
And I scaled in on the pivot. This is very, very bad. It's just very stupid. I actually said it at the moment I did it.
Oh wait, that's not true. Wait, let me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sorry, 73.04. Okay, would have been the aggressive entry. But I'm not doing that no more.
I went in the first time 73.5.
That's not bad. That's still not bad.
Just on the pullback. But I also entered Sing dollar and I scaled in just as it broke the pivot. That was kind of stupid.
Asia's should give something up here before too long. See what time is it? 11. Yeah, you're good, man. From what I'm looking at.
Sing dollar I was a bit late.
Yeah, well, I'm looking at the hourly and
136.694, and then I scaled in on the after I broke the pivot line.
73.73 still seems like it should be in the cards.
So my scale in just sold the bottom. That was stupid. Well, life is short.
Life is short. It is that.
Come on, dollar, die.
No, why?
Because I'm short.
Hey, XO. Please tell me you're not short euro dollar.
Euro dollars. I did.
Did you get out?
No, I didn't. Why?
Oh, bro, get out.
Yeah, I know. But I can't.
You can. All you gotta do is
Look
it's
at
a button. It's a nice little button, man. Just hit it.
I really sold the bottom just now. Fuck. I just made this trend line. Just like a second ago. And now the VWAP is going up too. Oh, come on.
I know what I do. Omega, I know what I do. So yeah, I know that gotta go up. I know where I have to do.
You know what you gotta do.
Actually, AUDUSD is paying for my loss on Sing. I could just close them all and be still positive, 0.5% up.
What do you do if you have gangrene in just one little tiny pin in your pinky?
Again?
You know what you have to do.
Yeah, I know what I have to do. But there's this little
cut that
thing
pinky
called
off.
greed.
I know what I do.
No, we know what we should do. That's a difference. They are both same size, but the range is smaller. No, it's actually the same range.
One thing that I know that I can't be sure about everything. Second, I have to stick to my system. I can't do anything different.
Stick to your rules.
I know it's look very much strong, as I already mentioned.
Did you see my evil raccoon?
No, I didn't. Where is it?
In the hold my beer room. It's right below the trading room. It says hold my beer, HODL my beer.
Just the spread moving now. Oh, how's the USD is going up? But I'm gonna exit on that trend line. If it retests, I'm just gonna exit all.
Oh, I'm positive on all 3 trades.
Yeah, I'm now too, but barely.
That's 18. Give me 20 on all of them, and I'm gonna just shoot it off. Let's take the EuroCAD right now, just because. Don't hesitate. I'm out. I'm clearing it out.
Oh, what's going on here? Wrong way, piece of shit. Damn dollar.
I cleared it. I'm flat.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out too.
Order filled.
I'm at 600.
Yeah, now that bitch is dropping.
Yeah, I just started getting that feeling. I don't know, like, you know what? Just get out. So I obey.
Yeah, whatever. It's just the dollar is very flat. This can go both ways. So,
No, and the whole market's doing that. I mean, we're not getting any kind of real. You see any real momentum anywhere?
No, just nothing. Let me just switch to momentum, but to the volume, no.
Yeah, and that's why I said, you know what? I have 3 positions open. They're all right. I had profit on 2. One was like a break even. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna clear it, man. I started feeling, kind of getting that weird feeling.
Well, usually if I get this feeling, my target's gonna be hit anyway. But this, I mean, on Aussie USD, this looks very promising. But I did exit anyway. But the Sing dollar is critical, because there is some trend line I did miss. So I just had Aussie USD pay for the US dollar Sing loss. But they were both in profit actually. Just the scale-ins were in loss or whatever.
Watch the euro yen. Gosh, man, I wonder if it's gonna. Should I use that word? Break out.
Which one?
The euro yen. It's not. It's kind of. It just kind of. You know what? And that's exactly what I thought it was gonna do. It's just kind of. The air is kind of coming out of it.
Yeah, it made no higher high. Oh, well, the nickel didn't do either. What's the Swiss doing? What the fuck? Oh, look at the US Swiss.
Dollar Swiss?
Yeah.
It's just sitting there, and right to the left, and this is obviously on range bars, right to the left of where it is right now, there's support. Freaky little spot right now.
Yeah, but this looks so much bullish. I mean, not like for a big trade, but
I'd agree. I'd agree with that.
I'm holding long that one. Shit.
Yeah, if you put a gun to my head and said buy or sell, I'd buy it.
yeah, I would buy it too. Definitely. Maybe it was a good idea to exit the Sing dollar trade.
Yeah, and you know what? And that's exactly what I'm. And it is starting to come off of that too. I was at it's just at the same spot. I got out of pound dollar at 28.31.
Gotta keep an eye on gold. If gold drops too, then we know what's gonna happen.
Indeed.
What happened?
This is all a very big Asian fake.
Yeah, gold is catching bids like crazy though.
Yeah, I mean, if it slows down now and it starts going down, then we know it just Asia session was just a big fake.
Yeah.
But the volume is going up on the Sing dollar already. But Aussie USD also positive volume. What's my cat saying? Nothing? Oh, damn Discord.
What time frame is that USD CHF chart you posted, XO?
That was 1 hour.
Oh, that's a 1 hour chart?
Yes, that 1 hour chart. Post long ago.
Oh, okay. Now I see
I bought right there. And that reason why I still hold or short euro actually. That I know the euro will go up, but they need to have some correction. I'm sure that they will have some correction first. And nothing for sure, but just like I trust it. And only negative for few pips, so never mind. New Zealand dollars also facing important resistance, and I believe that time for correction now.
Looks like the dollar is weakening again. I'm thinking of rebuying Aussie USD. Probably a bad idea.
Well, we're getting close to, you know, Asia's always setting the range for London, so, you know, we're gonna get those funny little fluctuations here shortly anyway.
Just said it's gonna, I wanna buy Aussie USD and it's popped up in the same second.
You ever do that? Just keep buying it over and over again every time it, like in certain situations, like you said, and it pops up. So you bought it, it drops down. You buy it again, it goes up.
Yeah, I'm doing that basically always.
Yeah.
And now it's back on the trend line. It's actually a good buy location. It looks good.
Wow.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
there you go. Like every time it pops there,
Order
man, you
filled.
buy it.
That goes up now. That would be a beautiful show-off trade. But I'm not so sure about
Right.
the dollar.
Oh shit, I'm starting to get tired, man. I got a friggin' doctor's appointment in the morning tomorrow.
Just a checkup or something serious?
Nah, just check up.
Oh,
Well, you never know.
yeah, I bought it and now the VWAP is going down. Seriously? Dollar doesn't look so good either, but the VWAP on the dollar looks interesting. Not really.
No, when I'm in deep shit, I keep my mouth shut.
What is
But
it?
I'm listening.
What is it?
Order filled.
And I feel I trade again the room, so I gotta keep my mouth shut.
No, you don't.
It's on my screen, but I'm listening.
Come on, it's just half the fun.
Especially when Swingfish trade against me, I feel very bad, you know.
Hey, you know what I always say? Like if Swingfish says, you know what, I'm going to buy dollar yen here, and I say, you know what, I just sold dollar yen, and then I always say, we have a market, because somebody's got to buy, somebody's got to sell. If we all buying, there's no market.
Yeah, price won't move if we all buy.
Don't worry about that. We are nothing here. So you just do whatever you do. Market would not move because you buy or sell.
That's the beauty in Forex.
Yep.
There is always
That's
somebody who buys your tops.
Yeah, that's what somebody says. If I say I'm buying and somebody says, hey, I'm selling, I go, well, we have a market. It's a beautiful thing. Unless I get spanked.
Yeah, especially in this business, you always have somebody who can really to trade with you, so you don't have to run, wait for everybody to buy or sell.
No, you know, the thing is, when you think about it, if you think about it, don't think about it, because it will paralyze you when you think about the enormity of how many people are buying and selling like second after second after second. It's the only market, I mean, truly, it's global, man. Around the world, you know, people are buying and selling the same position you're in. It's a daunting thought when you think about it.
And so to get rid of this madness, we better forget it.
Yeah, that's what I try not. That's what I said. I don't dwell on that, man, because they'll freak you out, man. Especially when you're like, you know, you're putting on sizable positions and the market's really moving, and you go, oh shoot, man, what's happening? Who's trading against me? Everybody.
Yeah. But the good thing is that we know, but as long as you feel about the way price move and you predict the price is gonna move that way, then you feel confident about that. Let's say when I hit the US dollar yen, I know price gonna move up here and have to stall here for a while and maybe pull back a little bit and go up again. But that the first pullback is okay for me, but the second pullback gotta be trouble for me if you know. So that I feel okay. So that reason why I still hold my long on dollar yen.
I don't know, man. That's too much for me. I can't go, okay, I think it's gonna go up, go down a little bit, go up a little bit, go down, and then finally go up. I just, you know, there's no kind of gut feeling, man. I'm like, okay, man, do I have a setup or do I not?
No. I don't say I got feeling, but my methods show
okay.
that way. Now, let's say if you look at US dollar yen right now, 15 pips up from here, I have to be very careful, you know.
Well, I got some real. I'm not. Never mind. I ain't even gonna bring that up.
Because the pullback from 15 pips above the current level, if you go up there by 15 pips and that move down gotta be tricky, and I would not trust that. And if it move down, I close my trade actually.
Are you ooh, excuse me. Woo. Oh man, you know what? I wonder what time is this? 11:20. Man, at least I should have made that damn doctor's appointment for later, man. What was I thinking? 10 a.m. Ugh. What was I gonna say? Oh, as far as the dollar yen, are you buying it? You're long, right?
I'm long until another 15 pips or 10 or 15 pips from here.
Okay.
Long, yeah. But then after that, I will have to look at it again.
Looks like the dollar is not cooperating. As the USD is pitching around on the trend line.
But I heard the swing fish. I heard you long Aussie dollar right here about this level.
Yes. Oh, look at the Sing dollar. You piece of shit. Maybe I said it again.
It dry to my trend line. I can't do anything until this clear the trend line. I would like to long, but not from here. Maybe a little bit higher.
Oh, the dollar is dropping. Maybe I sell Sing yen again. I Sing dollar again. Yeah,
I can show you my chart on OC dollars if you like.
I will just double my risk. I'm not so sure yet.
The pairs ending in the yen look like they have another crack to the upside.
If I sell a US thing now, it would mean selling the bottom again. That's why I hate breakout trading.
Are you guys going to be trading London?
No, I'm gonna finish up in a moment. My wife coming back in 2 hours. I have to pick her up from the airport.
Oh shoot! Where was she at?
Japan. Damn, that looks really nice on US thing.
Yeah, I don't think there's any way I can make it through London tonight,
Order
man.
filled.
I'm yawning and freaking in my head. I could tell when I really need sleep.
See you in New York, man.
Order filled.
I'm not leaving this moment, dude. Why are you trying to get rid of me?
We need some of the
He's like, oh, you're
back.
tired? Man, go to bed already.
You gotta hustle, man. You gotta
You
hustle and get the money.
yawning, right?
Oh man, you gotta hear my little song, man. Well, let me forget it for you, man. This is the Forex Trader song.
What time is
Forex
it for you?
Trader song. Which one is
I
it?
know that song too.
What's it called? What song do you know?
Song, Forex song. You want me to play that for you?
No, I'm getting ready to play it for you right now. Hold on.
I got it too, but just play it. The lady sing, right?
Nah, bro, this is this is something different. Check it out. It's in the hold your beer room.
Okay.
You should save it.
Oh. OC dollars, good one.
Okay.
Nice. Nice.
Come on, get up, you piece of shit. Then I have traded the same price twice.
What day is it?
Shut up!
What question is that? What's wrong?
Ah, it's from the song.
Yeah, sometimes I feel so loopy. I'm like, that's exactly how I feel. What day is it? Would you please tell me?
It's funny.
Damn, look at the dollar dying again, man.
Yeah, but not really.
agree.
No new low. Still didn't tip the low. But the VWAP is going up on the Aussie yen. But gold is going up too. This is Oh yeah, gold is going up too, that's good. And US thing broke out. Fuck you. But now I've just re-entered AUDUSD, so I'm trading the same price twice. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I did that.
Dude, that's
well, not with the I didn't do it with the euro or the pound dollar. I did it with the euro yen and the euro CAD again, which was perfect timing.
Ah, I'm in deep shit.
What are you doing?
You're in the weeds.
Get high, get high, get high.
I'm in the weeds.
Come on, why does this take so long? Ah, the damn dollar is fucking around again.
Come on, break out, break out, break out!
Come on! It's not that far!
Boom! Here we go!
Holy shit, why is this taking so long? The Swiss still bitching around. That's gonna be an interesting UK session, that's for sure.
You know what? Yeah, sometimes I'm thinking, okay, why am I jumping in and out? I should just stay in, but we just had that conversation about an hour ago.
Yeah, it's just probability.
Yeah, crumb snatching. Wow, man, that's a good session, though.
Damn, move it! Ah, fuck it, I'm out.
Order filled.
Buy more. You
Me
move the
too.
market.
Close that.
And here is your answer why you exit. Why we exit.
It just gave me almost another 20 pips. What am I supposed to do?
Yeah. Trading the same price twice. That's why.
Exactly, yeah. So it came down, gave me another entry, and I'm supposed to leave it open? I don't think so.
Yeah, if you swing trading, you just lose that. It's just a waste of equity.
Shit.
Yeah, since before the right before the New York session, let's see, what do I got? 82 pips plus the other 9, so that's what? It's almost 90 pips. Yeah, I'll take that, man, all day. I can sleep good.
Yeah, you better.
That's how trading works. Can do that all day. That's why I like consolidation.
Yeah. Do it again tomorrow if I get entries. That's the problem. Is if I don't have any entries, then I just sit here looking stupid. And then the other thing is you don't want to go to the well too many times.
Yeah, it's 3 times now, so it's pretty much over.
Yeah, that's enough.
I didn't trade the first one, and then there are 3 waves, and yeah, you have to keep the harmonics in mind too. But
look at that
I'm pretty
pound
sure
dollar.
London is gonna hit the bush quite hard.
Yeah, London is they're gonna come on and be like, oh, look at where we're at, and I think it's gonna be a real active session.
Yeah, I think so too. They're gonna hit the targets, like AUDUSD gonna go up another 10, 15 or so, and then it's gonna go right back down. I mean, look the US Swiss It's really tried to get up, and the gold didn't move very much either. Or it's continuation. Whatever, why do we care? I made my money already.
Yeah, gold is looking like it's going to try and tap. I think gold's going to at least maybe try and tap like 1200. 1211 maybe. Damn, that's a deep friggin' move down. Yeah, I would be surprised not to see gold continue to rise.
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. If you look at the Swiss franc, this is developing like a very nice rejection candle.
Yes.
Sing dollar is just dropped down, broke out basically, but the VWAP is going up. So, and the dollar didn't make a new low. It just dropped on the opening and that's it. So,
yeah, as soon as I get out of these two positions, they start falling again. So, you know, that's the right thing to do. Take it off the table.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure AUDUSD is gonna go up more, but why should I take the risk? There's no point.
No, not when they were about to have the session changeover too. What time? Speaking of which, how long until that happens?
Another hour for pre-market.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. You know what? Instead of going right to bed, I think I'm going to make a little bit of coffee, man, and hang out for a little bit longer, just to see potentially there's anything else. But I'm pretty happy right now. I don't know if I want to get back in, but I'm not quite ready to roll in either.
I'm pretty sure AUDUSD is going to go up more, but yeah, as I said, this is very itchy market. Seeing the Swiss francs going up, gold basically stopped moving, and the Sing dollar buying volume is starting to get higher. So it may make just a spike up to the resistance and then drops like a stone. But why take the risk? No point.
Yeah, and the thing I'm looking at when this is, keep in mind, there's no time. I'm not looking at a time frame, but the dollar Swiss franc is actually on my chart is in the bear zone. So like you were saying, yes, if that's the case, then yeah, Aussie dollar will probably advance more. Pound dollar hasn't really advanced very much at all anyway. I mean, obviously it advanced enough to rotate to bullish, which is, 50 some odd pips. But I mean, I think it could probably roll up quite a bit more, but with the rollover, give everybody a better entry anyway. You know what I mean? You don't want to get in position right before London.
Yeah, but this could also consolidate for the rest of the day before it happens. But
yeah, there's a horrible thought.
Yeah, but it looks like something is gonna happen.
You got Swiss trade balance in 25 minutes.
Oh, that may be the answer why this is...
Who was that? Say that again?
The Swiss trade balance is coming up on the calendar in 25 minutes.
Is that statistics or our...
Oh, okay, I see it. We've got trade balance, export, and imports. I didn't even see that, man. Yeah, well, I mean, it's actually on my laptop, but I didn't even look at it. Thanks. It's 22 minutes, huh? About 20 minutes and counting. Tell me something good, Octo.
Pound yen's putting a cheeky move up further. Still riding it.
You're still in pound yen.
Half of the positions and taking every wave up.
Are you scaling in?
Yeah.
Oh, that looked nice. I closed that chart already. That does look good, but it's still on this resistance line that I mentioned before. It just went there, but not higher.
To me, it's crossed those 200 period Bollinger Bands once, faked everyone out, and is now taking support on them on the way up. But I'm often wrong.
Yeah, I see it's the same trend line where it is at now. But the VWAP is very slow. Very
Back in a second, guys.
Alright.
Okay.
Well, if the dollar drops, this is gonna break out for sure.
What, to the downside or up?
Upside.
That would be nice to see.
Well, we broke out already yesterday. Yeah, we broke out yesterday already. See the blue line? That's from the larger time frame.
Taking a look now.
So the retest was just at the pivot from yesterday. But it went below after that. I hate it if prices pitching up around below a support level and then break above. This happens so many times.
Still staring at your picture there. So the rising trend line, the R2 line. What else have we got in the way?
This situation, I mean, see the blue line? That's from the higher time frame. It went over and then it pitched around like forever below it. One rejection after another. And then it went up.
How about switch to the 4 hour? On the 4 hour, it's broken above the range, closed one candle above and is forming the next candle, rising up.
Holy shit, look at the divergence from this morning. The US dollar very far down and the Swiss franc very high up. Okay, that maybe changed my perception of the US Swiss trade. Is that still valid? Yeah, it is.
What have you spotted?
Maybe the Swiss news gonna trigger something. A short sell. Eurocat would be a buy then. Like Omega said this morning. Well, this morning, like 2 hours ago.
Back, y'all. Just put on a half a pot of coffee, man, just to keep from nodding out.
Just checked on divergences. You said Euro CAD. There will be a. The divergence is very high on both pairs. So that if there is a trigger event, this is gonna move quite a lot. But the Swiss is very high up and the dollar is very down, very much down. So the divergence is negative for US Swiss. A small short.
Well, the thing about EuroCAD is it moved from monthly R1 all the way to monthly S3. So a move up to the monthly pivot is not that far outside the realm of possibility. That would be a huge move, and then it wouldn't happen by the end of this week. So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be looking for. I'd be looking for buying any pullbacks on EuroCAD.
Yeah, that's what I meant. There is a very high divergence between the Canadian dollar and the Swiss francs. So this will.
Right, I know what you. Yeah, I know what you meant. Yeah, you're 100% right.
That would support buying that one. The dollar is gonna go up too, so this may be a little bit of a problem. I will see about that.
Yeah, it's like the dollar's in the middle of a weird range where it's almost like it's like one of those roulette trades, like black or white. You know, I mean, black or red. Who could tell, right? When it comes to dollar Swiss franc swing fish, I think I need to look at like a time-based chart, man. My chart is friggin', it's a mess, man. XO's chart, like 1 hour.
Damn, my deal map looks really nice today. I'm gonna stop trading now. This is gonna go bad for sure.
Yeah, once I have so many good trades, it's like if I keep trading, I know I'm just gonna start giving money back. I don't want to do that.
But Aussie USDs, I really would like to buy it again. But it's the fourth wave, so whatever. But the target is not reached yet. It's gonna go 15 up at least.
The one I'd really like to buy again is pound dollar. And as I say that, it continues to advance. There it goes, man. And that just made another bar. God, I should buy it, but I can't. Not right now.
Hesitation is the worst enemy.
Yeah, a little discipline don't never killed anybody though. You know what? I've been killing it for hours now, man, and it's like, okay, well that's take a break. That's always a good thing. Just take a break and relax.
That's true, yeah. But I would really like to ride this price a third time. That would be look really cool. What did you trade today? Ah, I made like 55 pips on Aussie USD, but it didn't move that far. Yeah, that's why I day trade. Our gate's not 55. No, let's just calculate it together. 5, 4.1, 2.9. 3.7, 2, 3.6, 1.7, 4.1, 27 pips. And it moved 8 in that time, so
that's nice.
That. That's why pips don't matter.
Nope. It's all about the equity.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Holy shit, that's a lot of trades.
Wow, man.
I haven't seen my complete deal map yet. Oh, the broker gonna love me. Oh, it's not so bad. Damn, that was a good day. Maybe we should buy US dollar, Aussie USD again. Ah, fuck it. Damn. Okay, that makes me look like a teenager.
Nah, it's not. You know what? You got to keep in mind, man. Well, a little bit of that I think is New York too. So.
Ah, okay. Good. I didn't buy. I see USD. It just broke down.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Just a good idea, just to chill out. You know what? Both of those last two trades that I took are both crashing. Euro yen has crashed. Let's see, 15 pips. Sheesh. And Euro CAD has crashed. Just about 2 or 3. So, but still, I mean, they're falling off.
Yeah, we had the 3 wave, so. Basic harmonics. Three
I was wrong about that, man. I got out at 50.23, and so it's crashed about 10 points. So they're both falling off hard. You know, I think I'll just wait, see if I don't know, just London, like we were talking about, when London comes back in, see how much of a retrace, you know, how much of a pullback we get, and maybe give us some better entries.
Frankfurt pre-market is gonna come in 3 minutes.
We got 2 minutes on this news, the Swiss trade balance stuff.
Yeah, this is right to the Frankfurt opening pre-market.
Yeah, I need to pull those up. I don't even have the clock up. I'm too tired to friggin' to just get the recall on it.